Amazon will not at all, as a company, help you, all right, which sucks. However, what you've got instead is countries' intellectual property laws that all businesses, Amazon included, must abide by. So whilst they do not have the means or the inclination to do this for you, they will help you in other ways. So the way that they help you is with something called brand registry, Amazon brand registry. And what this does is it gives you the ability to protect your products on Amazon, and what it taps into is existing intellectual property laws in different countries, okay? I was going to say companies then. In different countries. So, without getting into too much of that, let me give you a visual demonstration instead, because a visual demonstration is always much, much better. So here is a product, Rubbermaid commercial, this oven thermometer. Now, this particular company is not selling on Amazon. Now, Rubbermaid is not selling on Amazon directly, so what they've got is they've got other companies, if we come down here, look, other companies, other sellers who've wholesaled the product and are now selling the product onto Amazon. Now, we can tell that because of this down here, what I've highlighted. So, that's one way of doing it. Now, this company is, if we scroll, most likely they've got something called enhanced brand content. So this is an enhanced brand listing. So that tells us that they are trademarked and they've got, should they want to, some protections, okay? But they haven't taken up those protections, and we can tell that because of this here. Have one to sell it on Amazon. Now, Amazon puts that on when it's a free-for-all to sell the product. When it's a free-for-all to sell the products, that's on. So, and we can also tell there are 7 people selling this product, including this one, because of that little area there. So that's one way, okay? A lot of products on Amazon are in that boat. It's a free-for-all. Amazon wants anybody to sell them because that's more money for Amazon. That's one way. Here's another way. So one of my favorite companies on Amazon, certainly one of the most creative brands on Amazon, is Old School and their Vintage Burn, etc. line of sports supplements. So again, let's scrolly Danny. And again, you can see they've got EBC, so enhanced brand content, which tells us they are using brand registry for their product. All right, so that tells us that. And also we can see that you've not got the option here to sell the product, which tells us they are protecting their products from other people selling them. So that's another way of doing it. Vintage Burn does not want me to sell their product. They want to be the people that sell their own products. They don't want anybody else selling them, and so they set that up through Amazon. Now, I want to show you one last thing. So this is the website for Old School Labs, and this is the Vintage Burn, and we can see this little part here. They've got that trademarked, which now affords them, under US law, some protections against other people selling them, and they've set that up through Amazon Brand Registry to prevent people selling their products. So that's how you do it. So Amazon does not, just to reiterate, specifically do this for you. You must do it yourself, and that's the way you do it. You become brand registered. You need a trademark to do that. I'll talk about trademarks in a wee while. You need a trademark to do that, but once you've got that, it affords you all of the same protections that any other company gets on a platform such as Amazon. So you get all of those things. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.